Jesus!
Thief!
Jesus! Jesus! Run, no!
Don't be this one!
Hey! Jesus Christ! What's up, my people? On a day with the sub, it's your boy OBIKING, and back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. You understand? You know how we do it now. Watch to the very end. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to drop nice comments. That is how we roll here. You understand? So this will not be different. And as usual, you know what I do. I bring you guys the best. So make sure to watch to the very end. So don't play, my people. Don't play. Let's go have some fun.
That's stupid that I see him. He's always coming here to shit. Every time you hear shitting. I always catch him here. See him.
Baby, don't worry, I'll handle it.
Please.
Young man, what are you doing there?
Oh, God! I want charge phone.
Charge phone? Don't be shit in the shit for there while they legs.
Me shit.
Don't be shit at the seat there.
Oh, guys, well, if I shit here, make God punish me. What is shit?
He said, don't be shit at the seat for your back there.
This finest state.
Oh my God. Follow me.
Okay,
Come here.
Okay, what?
Come here.
Go charge phone. Can you imagine?
You go pack the shit or you go advertise for us. You go pack the shit or you go advertise your state.
Make your choice.
No problem. Let me go advertise.
Advert.
Okay, now they drag
Let's
me.
go.
Now they drag me like this.
Tell them,
Advert.
welcome to City View Parks and Resorts,
Welcome to City View Park and Resort.
the most affordable estate in Abuja,
The most affordable estate in Abuja.
with a C of O.
What was your goal?
With a C of O.
At the center.
Maybe he's not saying this thing well.
With a C of O.
An affordable payment plan.
Affordable payment plan.
You can pay within 3 months,
You got this 3 months to pay.
up to 24 months.
Up to 24 months.
The number to call
The
is
number to call
080
080
33
33
264
264.
960.
Who don't take that do advert for us?
Okay.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Thank you, my daddy.
Okay. Brotherhood is a shell of you. Brother is a shell. Now, woman, they control you.
Yes.
Why you want shit? Why you want shit?
Yeah.
Small shit, white shit.
Why you
Small
go-
shit.
yeah.
Why not what shit?
For this beautiful estate.
Don't mind you.
My guy don't take that do advert.
Whether you know the
I
shit.
know they shit.
Whether you know the
You
shit.
guys 5%.
Person like you now.
Let's go.
Yeah, what shit?
Hey,
Let the
see
shit.
that.
Rubbish.
You don't get any show. Moscow and Sabinus. Wow.
Bros, what did they do there now?
Okay, now my organ now give me poster. Say me I go around different walls.
Okay.
If they come our office, come follow us trade.
What you na the trade?
We dey trade cryptocurrency, Ethereum, and all of that. Bitcoin.
Enjoy zero charges.
Yeah.
Free health insurance.
Yes,
Cashback. Free withdrawals. Nice one, oh.
our office no even far from here. Sir.
Baba Fana, you know say this war na men get them.
This war.
You know what is your head? Behave yourself here. You just come somewhere see war, just a man's things for the war. You know say go to the come matching ground.
Who be matching ground?
Bros, remove everything quick.
Now men dey your front so too, bros.
Remove everything, make we dey go office. Fast.
Who go see them at?
Bros, say you dey post tan for here na our own tan, and you got to pay matching ground. Come out all these things.
Who goes now? You want here?
Oh, about who goes? Jesus, what's up me with this thing?
You don't go
Bros, I don't cut one egg.
You see. No be all risk that they take.
Try.
You never learn work finish. You go last inside your trouser.
I just say today when they join me for the business, I not to sabi am. I tell
But yeah,
you, I want the whole cutlass. I want the fight man to man.
You try look for chemist center now, me quick go man.
Body go tell you.
I dey go down, go come for that war.
Bros, well done. You don't dey go. Good afternoon, no, bros. How's the family?
My family dey okay. Now your own you don't call so. My life just get the way they do. First if you wake up with Ebola today, tomorrow you know see Ebola again.
My guy don't cut him bola. Downside.
No, well done. How you been now? Blood.
Blood. This one when call me blood. If you help me with in cow.
Senior, I beg. I don't know if you help me with your car. Make I use and reach somewhere. No problem now. My blood now. But the car they tell you go wash am. I go wash am. Everywhere, maramba.
Jesus.
Senior, you dey drive empty tank?
I go save me yesterday. I reserve I carry come back. You go buy fuel.
I go buy fuel.
Confirm.
Okay. I beg put 40k fuel for me.
40k for inside this mountain. How is that possible?
May you not go crazy. Jesus.
Na plug, come out there.
Jesus.
Voilà, regarde, everything done okay.
We just pray.
Oh, Jesus.
You hear the people go fishing and wait till you put your hand. Now your head don't bust.
Wait till this one now, wait till this one. If you just tell me say make I maintain your account, wait till this one. You know the pump your tire.
For the struggle.
Danjuma. A blood, na tire.
Who be a blood?
I got the spare tire. They like. Remember this time make a fish and finish. You feel go laddie?
If they really say me they check and balance things well on
the heart of man is wicked.
They play.
My guy verse, come on.
Chai. What's the way they go? Why you there hide from who? I don't see nobody enter my shade. Nobody enter my shade. Where they go? You want me to carry this chick for your eye? You don't got respect. Nobody enter my shop.
Okay.
Who do one like you? They go show you. That's what they do for you. You don't know. Chai. You should show woman. People they careful. Okay, call this thing.
You don't steal a phone.
Wait. You better see that woman when I find she don't carry my phone though.
But you say she don't enter your shop now.
Hey, she don't enter my shop. She enter my shop, bro. I call the defender. I say, nah, be thief, sir. I don't know that she be thief.
Madam, now we be the vigilante for this community. You see that woman, now hired assassin. For 4 days now, we don't find that woman. You know how many people she don't thief from?
Hey, she don't collect my phone now.
You know they go job.
You don't help me. I don't know. I don't know, Nabian brother. How?
Voila.
For body, Kiriku, big wala, Kiriku, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, this is stand-up. This one I'm asking. This one I'm out. Me only have big fans. Not to do my own big, you call fan. I say my own fan. I'm my own fan, but even if not white.
No, come on, they go.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know
I'm first here. You know what? Because here for far all the come. Let me face you out.
I was thinking they do when we small with that. You see fine car, you go see my own.
Can you make it see now? Can you make it see?
Hey, small boys, what are you guys doing there? Do you want to scratch my father's car?
Hey, who be small boys? Because your papa cannot be able to get up for this life.
What do you mean?
Ajebo, na can't papa get, not be God. For this car.
Who goes to
Oh, really? So you guys are trekking because obviously your father cannot afford the car.
Who said my papa?
Him, of course.
God forbid, not my papa.
Again, God forbid.
Whosoever he is, but he can't still afford the car.
Thank you for that, whosoever he is. No, this is whoever he is, so this is so. You not get fish up. Never fear about doing by one. Talk less of car.
Kiriku, no means they call whosoever is.
I bet you tomorrow go.
What have I done with myself?
Yo.
I'll never be broken.
I will never be broken in my life.
Fine girl.
Hi.
I don't know, can I have your number? So we'll talk later.
Alright.
Okay.
My name is Chinedu.
Okay, I'll save it now.
Alright. I'm sorry, excuse me. I didn't mean to disturb you. I don't know if I can get like 10k from you. My gas just finished.
Oh, you be gas station?
No, like my...
That way you meet me, now you're gas station.
No,
I don't come out your number from me.
It's just 10k now.
Limau.
Talkless, this one you're happy like this. Hope nothing.
Let's have it.
I don't finally see work.
Really?
Ajay. And one man for you. That man, a billionaire. He said, will give me 500k every month. Jesus.
500k per month? I'm so happy for you. Listen, you know I love you so much. I know you are great. See, I always know that there's something good about you.
Yeah, I can't boss it.
Okay.
I said I will give my babe 300k every month inside the 500k.
This is plain.
Love of my life. You know what? After thinking that you are, why don't you just sit down? Let me serve you something special.
Me save the hungry.
Sweet Fanta Diallo, I know people forget you, baby.
Agkaay, that thing work.
That thing work.
You don't believe say I tell my babe today say I don't see work. She start the treat me like new taker.
See, bro, I don't feel tell you see normally. See, this thing go. I say now boys for Lagos to the chop.
Yeah, my baby tell me say anytime I dey go work, now I call the chop for her side.
No, this food don't be a problem again, though.
Yes, so but problem still dey.
This problem now again.
You know say if I say I dey go work now, I don't fit dey my side. Where I go dey go?
I don't feel tell you now. Say me you call the day for my side now. You know my guy. You know now.
If I speak, one man.
Agkaay, I don't even work.
God have mercy. What do you bring on now?
Okay.
Na spar she give me today.
How wife will bring spar? Me, I know the last spar now.
Chama, wetin happen now? Chama, na my babe. Chama, I don't like the way they call my wife. Chama, I beg.
No, bro, me, I don't live for work. Me, take care of the house.
No, I did.
1 week later.
Okay.
Agkaay.
This one you're not bringing anything come to this one.
Let's have it.
Now go see my babe cook so I don't chop am for his side. I don't be chop am for his side now.
No, I mean, I want the enter office like this one. So you go be now.
I beg bro, nice see you.
Everywhere good.
Okay, let's go. This your work, I beg. I feel they follow you the good year. Me, I feel they see small money. You know, say I promise my babe 200k.
Bro, you no go work. See, now me know the way my oga take dey. That thing no go work. See, bro, I don't tell you say na my guy. Make you dey for my side. If not so, more tending, no worry. I will press it 200k make you dey.
What type of plane is this?
For side your side.
You know my guy. I don't feel lose guard you now.
I gave you blood.
Man, the enter office. I don't leave. Me take out the house now. Yeah. Thank you.
3 hours later.
Man, know that. You don't know ya.
Give me time. 12 this morning.
You see, say I play.
I go my babe side now. I tell her say.
Okay.
My oga say I go race for house. I don't wait. I did.
Yeah.
Wow, wife will bring spar. Me, I know the last spar now.
No do.
Babe, you back from work?
Yes, sir. You work with both of my Nice see you.
Continue.
I beg that 300k we promise me now one collect.
I don't tell you say na more thing that I will give you.
Now wait for more 10.
Na more thing.
Ajay, but that's no see more 10.
Boss, I beg no first. Hey, boss, you get power bank.
Oh, just now, I stand Lagos and I don't disturb me.
Boss, I beg no first. Just help me, eh? Boys, guy, you that first, you know.
I get appointment with Davido.
Nah, lie.
You don't waste my time.
That should have
No fear, no, I will give you the power, no fear.
Funny man. Out my inner young body, funny man.
30 minutes later.
Yes, make I see how many percent my power bank day.
You still charge, I say, you still charge.
Boss, which can't be this now? 2 battery I don't give it all round.
Boss, no first, yeah? You know first, yeah? Tea.
What do you talk?
I say normal tea now, tea for tanks now.
What is that?
Normal tea for tanks now.
Okay, T for 10. Boss, how many percent be your phone?
Let's have it.
Nah, 99, you know.
99.
Boss, let's go back.
Make I go back. Anything happen?
They go back.
Make I stop.
I'll tell you right.
Make I go.
Yes, see they go. W.
What's it with W?
W for what? You get off my power bank, they say C for 10.
W for
When your phone down off, I'm going to bring my phone. If they never arrest One of una where they say T for tens. The rest no go learn.
Nduka.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus, why are you?
What's going on here?
Hey! Man, come on! Jesus! What's up now? I don't know this guy. I'm on my yago. I just went out for bed. They climb me. Why they climb me?
Stop it, bros!
You the what did the fuck woman has?
Bros, stop it like that! Bros, stop! Bros!
You could not beat up. They won't climb me. Eh? Wait, oh. Wait. Am I baby now, too? Nduka, how many times I don't call you? Nduka, avoid that girl when they call me. Avoid that girl, oh. That girl, they get memory loss. I know that girl, mama.
I need to avoid them. I love them, and we'll fix it.
Jesus, babe.
I'm not going to come out here. Bros, my mama been warn me. Anything to do for this life, try to obey your mama.
Babe, no verse now. Forget.
Come on there.
Wow.
I beg, avoid me.
So don't best leave and come out.
Forget now. So
Rocky! It's my guy, yo. Edoboy! I've been on. Edo! What do you find come this side? Now this estate my baby still now. This my girl now I can find for you. Yeah. Hi. You don't come out. Man, I just want you that side. Oh yeah, now family. You got that day now. Yeah? You know these things now. What up, Edoboy?
Hey, Jesus. Hey, now the guy baby.
even me like that shock.
Babe, what's up?
What are you doing here?
I actually came to see Edoboy.
Hello.
Go to
I have been calling you.
Oh, sorry, my phone has been on DN. What are you doing here?
I came to see my friend. I'm on my way back home.
You are going home already?
Yeah.
Okay, and I will see you at home.
Let's go together now.
No, I'm not done with what I'm discussing with him. I will just...
Bro, you know what? No worry, make me my girl. Just go house. Yeah, you come meet us later.
Yeah, oh yeah, now we will catch up. Let me just finish with what I'm discussing with him. I will join you at home.
My guy, don't carry me come out.
They are look beautiful. You are looking today.
Wow.
All right, I will see you at home, man.
You are a bad boy.
I'll talk to you. Edoboy, have fun. Okay, have fun. I'll even go see some.
That's side with my baby now. Which was you want to just sit down for your lap?
Okay, what do I say you get babe now? If you say they console, I still no console. I do for you since so.
If I get baby, see chair then. I should sit down for chair. I should go really sit down for your lap. This baby gets up.
What's the problem? Don't have your own girlfriend.
Come on, girlfriend. That enough is to sit down on the slab. Edoboy, have fun now. Why you got to behave like this now? See, where you say they help me now, you're prick the rice. You they help me now, but you're prick the rice. Why you prick on the rice?
What's this thing they think on you?
This thing they think on you. If you not they conceive for your mind, I think they stand on you.
Okay, this one not the intention now.
It's not intentional, I can't wait to. Hey, please come, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere with you. You have your own girl. Go and meet your girlfriend.
You're not going.
Do you know this place before? Is this your house?
Why you trying to say that you're not going? Please come, let's go.
I said I'm not going. Leave me alone. I'm breaking up with you. I'm not
Oh my,
going.
Edoboy don't
You're
carry
breaking up
us.
with me? Give me the phone. Please remove your leg from the farm. Not going and you collect my phone. Sure? You are not messing as so you view. Sure? You say you help me just like guide the girl because you now for your lap. Now you ask her when she tell the church now to go anywhere soon. We are carrying her. She will give you infection.
She will give you infection, can you imagine?
Okay. What? Okay, infection.
Jesus!
Thief!
Jesus!
See one opportunity.
Jesus!
Run, no. Don't be this one.
Hey! Oh man, this people look at. What's the meaning of this? As in, this guy today oppressed this short guy. I don't know why they always oppress him. So maybe the fourth guy saying short now. Like, as in, what's the meaning of all this nonsense? See, I still kick my guy come out. Anyways, thanks for watching, my people. Thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And if you're coming across for the very first time, make sure you do the needful. Subscribe. Now wait till I want to see that. Subscribe, drop nice comments, and check out my other videos. There's so many fantabulous videos on my channel. Check them out, my people. Check them out. And see you in the next one, my people. See you in the next one. Peace out.